Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a fix for a problem. Whereas when we restart our computer, you guys see a BIOS options like F2 for entering the BIOS or F10 for entering into the boot menu options. For different laptops, the options are different. Whenever we restart the PC, we see those BIOS hotkeys. But the problem is in some laptops, when we shut down the PC and turn it back on, the BIOS keys doesn't show. Instead, it directly boots into the OS, which shows the Windows logo. Now I'm going to show you a fix for that.
We will shut down the system and check whether the BIOS keys are appearing or not. Now I am starting it on back again. Now there are no BIOS keys as you saw. And now we are straightly going to the Windows logo. It's directly booting into the operating system instead of showing those BIOS options. Restart the system. Now the thing is, when restarting, the BIOS keys appear. The thing is, we want it to appear even after shutdown, turning the laptop back on. And now see guys, the BIOS hotkeys are appearing after restart. Now let's fix this problem.
This can be fixed by turning off the fast startup option in power options. Go to power options and then click choose what the power buttons do here. Change settings that are currently unavailable and then uncheck turn on fast startup. Now save changes. And now bingo, we fixed this problem.
Now let's check whether our problem is solved. Let's shut down the computer. And now when the system starts, the BIOS hotkeys must appear at startup when the logo shows. Now we are turning it back on. And now guys, the problem is fixed. We see the hotkeys here. So thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share my video, and also turn on the notifications so that you will receive many fixes. Bye.